I want to talk a little bit about giving yourself permission to make your space beautiful. This is kind of a trap I've fallen into before. I get very busy consumed with work and making sure that everything I'm making is for the craft show. It's for Etsy. It's to teach. And I sometimes don't give myself permission to make me something. And it's really something I suffer with sometimes, because I think that time is not productive because it's not a revenue generating task. And that might be a little business talky for those of you who are not into that. But I'm kind of speaking to everyone who gets busy with being a mom, being a caregiver, being a wife or a husband. And that looks so pretty. I'll put it on either side. And you get away from the things that bring you joy. And you forget to make something for you. It's not that you forget. You don't give yourself permission to let yourself have something for you. And those of you who enjoy this hobby with me or enjoy this passion of floral design or gardening, you may fall in the same trap that you get to where you don't buy the annuals anymore because you think, well, they're gonna die. But what if you love them? Like, even it's okay if you want to enjoy the moment, and maybe you spend money on something that isn't going to be there forever, but you enjoy that process, that task of creating. Maybe it's a simple thing, but you can't say it's okay to do because it's for you. I hopefully can give you the courage and the permission to do something for yourself. And whether that's make this arrangement today, or that's design a wreath just for you, and don't just take what's left over and didn't sell. Make something outstanding for yourself. Like, go over budget on yourself. You know what I mean? Give yourself permission to do that. Because, no, we only live once. We only get the ability to do all this for so long. And sometimes when you're in the midst of the hustle, the midst of the grind of life or business, you forget to take care of you. And I bet if you treat yourself to something special, you're going to be able to serve your customers, your family, even your job, your coworkers. You're going to be such a better employee, such a better husband or wife or daughter, because you're getting to do a little bit of what you love too. And you don't get too lost in the grind where you forget about you. So I say all that just to help inspire you, because I am so guilty of it. It's not even funny that if it's not revenue generating, sometimes I don't even do it for myself because of how I feel that I'm not worthy. And you guys, we're all worthy. We're all worthy, Blue Merinos. All of us. We're worthy to have beautiful homes. That doesn't mean you have to spend a lot, but give yourself permission to have a pretty craft room, to have an organized space to create in, to not feel guilty about buying beautiful containers or shelving to have your supplies on. Like, make your space beautiful, make your home the way you want it. And it's okay to spend time on that. And I hope if that message helps you out some, that you share it along with another friend, inspire them to get excited about what they're doing and what they're creating, and not always being about the grind. Sometimes it needs to be about you and what you love. Because I tell you what, when you sit back for a second and you enjoy the process, it's amazing, like how much more you'll get done when you give yourself permission to take care of you.